guys should have done the template of your balance sheet. You should have everything should appear on your screen exactly as it does up here. All right, the last part now is the most important part, and it's actually putting in your calculations. Anywhere you see a red box means you have to input a formula to calculate the data. All right, again, all you're going to be using is addition and subtraction. Okay, skills that we practiced in the past. Okay, so the math part of it, the formula part of it is really not difficult. But you have to make sure that you're paying attention to a couple of things. Number one, anywhere you see the word less, you have to know that you're subtracting that value. Then your total goes here, and you'll add your totals. All right, so beware where you see the word less. And then number two, the most important thing is that this is a balance sheet. It must balance. Your final total on the top must equal your final total on the bottom. If it does not, you have to go back from the start and make sure that all your values are correct. Okay, so you're going to work on this right now in pairs. I want you guys helping each other out. I will be walking around to make sure that you're on the right track. Let's start inputting our values. So make sure you watch out for the word less. Okay, remember totals to the right. So what's depreciation? Alright, so if you have an asset, put it in better words. You get it not older, but what happens when it's valued? Okay, that's what depreciation is. Increase in value. Alright, so make sure you subtract that out of that value. Alright, and then add your totals. Okay. What we're doing here? Good? Alright, try to avoid any situation you got to calculate the giant column of the values. Try to do the giant totals. Make sure you have them balancing out. If you don't, you have to go from the top. So what do you think this means here? Yeah, so what does that mean? You start off with this. Alright, you're starting off with your equity, your balance, right? Now net income. Okay, so if I have X amount of dollars in my bank account and then I make more money, what am I doing to those values? You have $10,000 in your bank account. Paycheck comes in. Your paycheck is $2,000. Add them up, right? You want to spend $500. Take it away. So that's what's going on right here. You have your equity, which is what you have. Then your income, which is what you're adding to it, less your personal expenses. Right? So your personal expenses, you just take off the total. Exactly. All right, and then your change is. Alright, what I'm going to do right now is I'm not putting the formulas on the board, but I'm going to put the values up on the board. So you'll have an idea if you're right or wrong. You'll be able to check your work based on the model that's on the board, but I'm not going to put the formulas up for you. You have to find your mistakes. I'll start off on the asset side. So let's see. Let's compare them.
We got 42.
Check it out. Work your way from the top and see where I went wrong.
Okay.
asset value of $54,677, and of that, only $12,000 are liabilities, would you be happy or upset? So you have this, you owe that. Would you feel happy or would you feel upset? You think you could easily pay your debts?
Yeah.
Good. So if you were purchasing a business and you saw this balance sheet, would you go ahead with it?
Yeah, because that means that they're in good shape.
They're in good shape. Okay? So they could pay their debts.
Yeah.
Now, if you saw the same balance sheet and it was flip-flop, of the 54,000, let's say 42,000 was liability, would you buy a business? Would you pay $54,000 for something that would only really be worth 12? No, right? Okay, that's the idea. Finish it up.
Keep going up.